the risk exposure of a VASP, for example, is going to be different from a risk exposure of a small size jeweler or a real estate agent. Similarly, the risk exposure for a trust and company service provider will be slightly different from the risk exposure of an insurance provider. So this is why now your individual systems and controls, which would include your policies, your procedures for onboarding, all now need to cater to your specific size. So for that context, you'll find that more higher risk entities or entities that have from the institutional risk assessment, assess themselves as having a higher risk for money laundering, terrorist financing, proliferations financing. So these are traditionally your VASPs, your trust and company service providers. There's an expectation that your CDD processes would include ongoing monitoring, screening solutions, a higher level of customer due diligence in terms of verifying the identity of your customers. So perhaps more identification documents being required and more verification processes being put in place.